I am not going to answer any more questions about ungating, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. We are not even going to make an intro, alright? We are going to make a small intro. My name is Mangunza. I release a new video every single day about selling on Amazon, alright? Link in the description if you need coaching, link in the description if you need... if you want to join the Discord server, whatever, alright? Today's video is going to be sweet and short. I'm going to tell you exactly why, and I'm not pissed off, but like, you know, it's not that I'm tired, but I'm going to tell you exactly why I'm not going to answer any question regarding ungating because, you know, it does not even make sense anymore. So, if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I made a ton of content on ungating, and I keep answering the same question over and over again. And because of that, I even made more videos on actually ungating brands and categories on Amazon. By the way, if you do not know what ungating is, when you sell on Amazon, you need to actually get approval. You cannot sell anything when you start. Every single brand and category, not every single one, but most of them, you are gonna need to get approval to sell in them, all right? If you want to know how, I have a few videos. I have a whole playlist on the subject, all right? And this is why I'm saying today, I'm telling you that. And I don't know why there's a frog right there. She does not want to shut the fuck up, but whatever, she's making noise. And you'll have to you'll have to accept it. There's no other way. But or you can just quit the video, by the way. But yeah. So as I said, the reason why I'm going to stop answering questions about ungating is because I believe that if you are still asking me questions about ungating, it is because you haven't done the research. Because literally, first, as I said, I have a whole ass playlist on ungating on my channel, all right? So I'm going to link it here, all right? I'm going to forget. If you are the first one to notice it that I forgot it, let me know. I'll put it right there. I have a whole ass playlist, all right? I made videos on how to ungate brands, famous brands. I made videos on how to ungate categories, all right? Almost every single categories. And at one point, it's going to be the same all the time, right? It's always the same thing, always the same videos, just a different brand, a different category. I could do it even more if I wanted to farm views. I'm not interested in that, all right? Maybe in the future, if I want to farm some more views, I'll do it because these videos always do good. But like, I did all this, and I also did a video telling you guys that you should stop making it hard. It's always the same thing, all right? It's not gonna change. If you want to ungate Nike, and if you want to ungate, I don't know, a hot tub brand, let's say, like the brand of the hot tub that is behind me, it's gonna be the exact same process, all right? It's gonna be the exact same process. I made videos on ungating methods, websites to use, and even websites to use, I always say just do Amazon to Amazon. I have a whole ass video, one of the first videos that I released on this channel, that is going through everything that you need to do to make sure when you actually ungate a brand. Just watch the whole playlist. And as I said, I also made a video on why you should not make it harder than it is, and that it is actually hard. And some bitch made it like some bitch got butt hurt because I said that it's actually easier than you think, and she was trying to make it harder than it is, all right? She got butt hurt. I even made a video reacting to this comment and telling you guys that it is actually easy. Stop overthinking, all right? I literally made tens of videos about that. It gets tiring, and I answer comments upon comments upon comments upon comments. It's not only on YouTube, but on the Discord server about ungating. Talking about the Discord server, the second reason why I am not going to answer questions is because on the Discord server, if you go to the ungating tab, right? You go to the pinned comment, all right? We have Resolutely, Vibe Check, shout out to him, who wrote a whole as PDF on how to get ungated, all right? Not only we have the videos, but we have this, and we have other instruction on how to actually get ungated on the Discord server, all right? So you have all the videos, the playlist that I made. Second, you have the PDF made by VibeCheck on the Discord server and all the other stuff that people say that is in the pinned comment on the Discord server, all right? So this is the second reason why I am not going to answer any more questions about ungating. The third one is because you are just in a state of information paralysis. You already have all the information. You just do not want to act on it, all right? It's simple. You want to get ungated, get an invoice, submit it, all right? Fuck the rest. It's simple, all right? And if you are unsure about something, watch the videos, watch the playlist, all right? You are just in a state of where you have too much information, you do not want to act on it. You already know how to get ungated, all right? Today, if you want to know how to get ungated, it's super easy. When I started, you had to figure out shit by yourself. People were actually saying that it was impossible to actually ungate Nike. I had to walk my way through to find a way to actually ungate Nike. Because I did not want to do that stuff. I had to think of that myself, call companies to see if I ordered from their website, I would be able to actually get an invoice. I had to do this to actually, and like everything is served to you guys on a silver platter, and you do not even want to act on that. I cannot do anything about it. Like I cannot do anything more for you. I have a whole ass playlist about getting ungated. We have a PDF on the Discord server. We have a channel with pinned comment telling you how to get ungated, all right? You should not have any other question. It's super easy, all right? It's super easy. There's no reason why you should adopt anything. You just literally need to submit an invoice. That's it, all right? And the fourth reason, all right, that I am going to stop answering questions about ungated, because you guys do not realize it, but like answering questions and stuff like that takes a lot of time from my personal time, right? And it's not that I do not like to do it, because I love to help you guys, but at one point it's like people that I want to help as well, that have questions that are a little bit harder, are not taken care of as much as they should, because I'm over there always answering the same questions over and over again about ungating, all right? The fourth reason why I'm not going to answer a question about ungating anymore, and by the way, I will send you this video if you ask, and do not feel offended, all right? It's okay. Just do whatever I say. Watch the playlist, go to the Discord server and do that stuff, but I will not answer any more questions. I swear to God, I will not answer any more questions about ungating. The fourth reason why is because even if you do not watch my content on getting ungated now, there's just so much shit about it right now that you can find on how to get ungated. You can literally Google it and have the answer. It was not the case in the past when I started, and we still figured out ways to do it, all right? I was still able to figure out a way to do it. I am not smarter than you, but you have all the content, you have all the knowledge that I have right now after years of doing it. After years of getting brands and categories ungated and selling on Amazon, you have all the knowledge that I have right now. You can find it. It's at your fingertips. And you do not want to even put the time to research it and actually watch the content. So I think, but you want the shortcut and you want to ask the question, but you did not even research it yourself, all right? And you keep asking the same question over and over again. I have nothing against you. And by the way, if you are mad, just unsubscribe from this channel. Like, I don't give a fuck, like, to be honest. You guys know I am. I don't give a fuck. I'm not doing this for views. I'm not doing this for subscribers. I'm not doing this for money. Like the amount of money that I get from doing this is not even worth it. I should actually charge way more, because people actually sell ungating guide. You have the whole thing, because you guys still buy ungating guides, while I have everything that they give in the ungating guides and more in my videos. And just because you're lazy and you think that you're going to pay $100 and you're going to get ungated easy, like it's going to be easier for you, it's not. You're just lazy. You have every information that you need at your fingertips and you do not want to use them. You are scared to use them. What's going to happen? You're going to get rejected. Just resubmit. That's it. Stop making it like whatever. Guys, that's today's video. If you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, watch these other videos. Don't piss me off with ungating questions. Do not ask them, because if you ask them, I'll send you this video and you'll need to figure it out yourself. All right? You'll need to figure out how to engage yourself. And it's super easy because I have a whole ass playlist once again. Or come on the Discord server. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.